Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete your X account. So before deleting your X account, if you want a copy of all your X data, so this data will include your posts, messages, media, basically your all activity on X, you'll have to request and download an archive of your X data. So let me show you how you can do that. You want to tap your profile picture in the top left, and now in the side menu let's scroll down to settings and privacy, and in your settings select section your account, and let's go to download an archive of your data. So after this, X will prepare a large file. You have to sign into your X account, of course, and after this X will prepare a large zip file for you with your data archive, and you want to download that data, and you can review all those files. Yes, and additionally you will be notified when this zip file will be ready for you, so do not worry about this. So now let me show you how to delete your X account. So please make sure that you're in the section your account from your settings, and now let's go to deactivate your account section, and now here you want to read all the information provided by X, and now at the bottom select deactivate red button, and then you want to enter your X password to confirm that you really want to do it. And after this your account will be deactivated. But if you log back into your X account during the 30 days after you deactivate your X account, your account will be automatically reactivated, and the deactivation process will be cancelled. As I said earlier, after 30 days of no login activity, X will permanently delete your account and all the data that is associated with it. So that's basically how you can delete your X account on your phone, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.